Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Little Nightmares 3, crashing at a startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on Xbox consoles. So without wasting your time, here follow the fixes. The first fix include step 1, 2, 3 and 4. After following all 4 steps, you can check if your problem is fixed or not. However, you can also check your problem is solved or not after following each step. So here is the steps. First step, make sure your Xbox is up to date. Go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Step 2, clear Little Nightmares 3 cache files. So press Xbox guide button, click on My Games and Apps and then click on See All. Look for Little Nightmares 3 game and highlight it. Then press menu and select Manage Game and Add-ons. Click on Save Data, Reserve Space and then click on Clear Reserve Space. You will see that the profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete profile. Make sure you click Delete from console when deleting it. Step 3 is to clear persistent storage. So go to the Xbox settings, go to Devices and Connections, Blu-ray, click on Persistent Storage and then click on Clear Persistent Storage. Now if you don't see this option in your Xbox console, then skip this step. Step 4 is to clear alternate MAC address. Now go to Xbox settings, go to General, Network Settings, navigate to Advanced Settings, Alternate MAC address and then click on Clear and then restart your console. After following all 4 steps, now launch Little Nightmares 3 and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2, remove and re-add account. Go to Xbox settings, go to Account, remove accounts. Select the account in which you are having the issue and then select remove. Now re-add your account and after adding your account, launch Little Nightmares 3 and see if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3, manually select port. Go to Xbox settings, in General tab select Network Settings, Test Network Connection, Advanced Settings. Select alternate port selection, then click on manual. Click on select port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5. Continue. Restart your console and check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, then repeat the process and select the port one by one and check which one works for you. Fix 4. Run Little Nightmares 3 from store instead of running the game from the Xbox home. To do this, type Little Nightmares 3 in the search bar and click on it. Then click on Launch Game and check. Fix 5. Change DNS server. Go to your Xbox settings. In the General tab, select Network Settings, Advanced Settings. Go to DNS Settings, Manual. Enter 8.8.8.8 in primary DNS and enter 8.8.4.4 in secondary DNS. Now launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1. Save it and then relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 6. Reinstall Little Nightmares 3. If nothing seems to work, then the last solution is to simply uninstall Little Nightmares 3 from your Xbox console, restart your Xbox console, then fresh reinstall the game and then launch it and then check if the problem is solved or not. So these were some of the fixes that will help you to fix Little Nightmares 3, crashing issue, crashing at a startup, not launching or won't launch problem, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.